Greetings. What's up, what's up, what's up? Hope everybody's doing well. Know it's been a long time, but we're back. Going to share with you a dish, a dinner that we made. And it features raw waffles. It features raw cheese and paella. So I'm going to give you a look at what we made when they all came together and a close-up of each one. Give you a list of ingredients, and that's what we have for today. So for the raw cheese, we need Napa cabbage, purple cabbage, shredded carrots, diced garlic, about a quarter cup of sea salt, red bell peppers, and tablespoon chili peppers. So basically what you're going to do is cut everything up and put it in a bowl, sprinkle with salt, fill it up with water, and you're going to put something on like a towel or something, or a top that will fit inside the bowl, not on top of the bowl, because you need to push down on the vegetables to make sure that they are totally submerged in the water and salt mixture. And you're going to let it sit on the counter, cover it so it's kind of like in the dark, or if you have a place that you can use to keep things in the dark that will not be problematic, then you can do that and let it sit maybe 2 days, depending on how hot. Stir it, mix it every couple of hours or so, and then in a couple of days you can pour into what are those called? Ball jars. And put in the refrigerator and let it sit. The longer you sit, the spicier it gets. This is similar to kimchi, but this does not have the fish sauce, nor does it have the hot spicy sauce, but it does get spicy the longer you let it sit, and it's got kind of a raw sauerkrauty taste to it. The next thing that we made is raw waffles. So what you're going to do is take a couple of the outer leaves of a regular cabbage, and so you want the full leaf, so you get the raw waffle effect. And you're going to make a mix with ground almonds and cumin and a little bit of sea salt, and I like mine spicy, so I put a little bit of cayenne in it, and maybe a little bit of sage, and you're going to mix that till it's like a doughy texture. If you like, you can put diced onions in it, but you're going to mix that till you get like a doughy texture. You're going to roll into balls, and you're going to dehydrate for maybe 6 to 12 hours, depending on how you would like. So while that's dehydrating, you can make your diced tomatoes, diced onions, and you can make a sauce, like a sour creamy type, mayonnaise type sauce with almond milk and a bit of cucumber and a little bit of salt if you use salt, a little bit of white pepper, and you're going to blend that. And when it's blending, into the hole that you see as this is blending. You're going to pour oil slowly in the center of the hole until the hole starts to close. And when it closes, it will be semi-thick. So this is going to be the sauce that you put on. Oh, and also, I'm sorry, a little bit of tahina. And so that's going to be your sauce. So when the rawlafels are done, you're going to take them out, put 2 or 3 on your cabbage leaf, sprinkle with your diced onions and your diced tomatoes that you made, and then put the sauce on. Roll up the cabbage leaf on top of these yummy rolled nut balls, and there you have it. And the last thing we made is the paella, which is made from black wild rice, not to be confused with the short grain black rice that you may see in the stores. This has to be the black wild rice. It's kind of pricey, but it is what it is. So you're going to soak that probably 3 to 5 days until the seeds start to sprout open, so it'll be white on the inside. And you're going to strain that and rinse them off, and then you're going to make a sauce with regular fresh tomatoes and sun-dried tomatoes and onions, green onions. Blend that, and a little bit of nutritional yeast, and you will pour that over your rice and mix, and voila. And that's what you will have for the meal that we have prepared for this week. And if you have any questions, comments, let us know in the comment section. If you're interested in learning more about raw food preparation or increasing your raw food intake, give us a holler, and we will talk to you soon. Peace.